On March 13th, 2025, in Norwich, Connecticut, a routine patrol quickly turns into a high-risk pursuit. A state trooper notices a black Subaru Legacy. No front plate. Slight lane violations. Nothing unusual at first glance. But when the officer runs the rear plate, everything changes. The vehicle matches someone who already ran from police just days earlier. That single detail turns a routine stop into a full tactical response. And within seconds, what starts as a traffic stop spirals into a dangerous chase, a crash, and a shocking discovery about who is really behind the wheel. Before we go further into this case, take a second and subscribe to the channel. We cover real police encounters, bodycam footage, and raw criminal investigations just like this one. If you enjoy real-life crime breakdowns with no filler, hit subscribe now so you don't miss the next case. Let's continue. The trooper activates emergency lights and initiates a stop. The Subaru slows down, but something feels off immediately. The driver doesn't comply the way officers expect. Instead, confusion and hesitation fill the air as commands are given.
Get out of the car.
Why? What did I do?
Get out of the car.
What did I do?
Get out of the car.
Why? What did I do?
Turn the car off for me. I'll talk to you in a minute.
Why? I didn't do anything.
I'll talk to you in a minute.
I didn't do anything.
I will talk to you in a minute.
What
You're
did I
Electra,
do,
correct?
sir?
Open the door, please.
Can you please tell me what I did? I don't understand.
I'll tell you in a second. Just open the door.
Why can't you tell me what I did?
Open the door.
Can you please tell me what I did?
I'll tell you in a minute. Okay? You failed to maintain your lane and you don't have a front plate.
What do you mean?
That's why I pulled you over.
But no, I didn't.
Just open the door, please.
Why do I have to open my door?
Open the door. I don't want to break the window. Can you just open the door?
Why would you do that, sir? I don't understand what I did.
You're Electra, correct?
Right?
Okay. You're the owner of the car?
Yes?
Yes. Okay. So step out of the car.
Because I went over a lane?
Nah, it's all bullshit, dude. Let me tighten it up a bit. Can you spot for me? I'm gonna move forward.
What bullshit?
Just open the.
You just said that I went over a lane and you're trying to get me out of my car? Why?
I'm gonna talk to you, okay?
Okay, so please tell me. No, sir. I don't understand.
Don't.
What did I do? What? Sir, why are you doing this?
Do you want me to break the window?
No!
You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Can you please explain to me why you're doing this?
Ma'am, you got.
I went over a lane?
Ma'am, you got a warrant, okay?
For what?
I believe it's at Old Saybrook, Troop F's area.
How?
I'll explain it in a minute.
Can you show me I have a warrant?
I'll show you if you get out. We're just gonna.
I'm scared right now. Like, what?
I'm going to break the window if
Why?
you don't.
I don't understand.
Not right this second. Please open the door.
I don't understand why you're doing this.
Please open the door.
Why? I didn't do anything.
Step out of the car. It's a lawful order from the state police. Get out of the car.
What's your name first?
No, what are you doing? No. What are you
I might just shoot a little pepper spray in the car, but then I gotta...
What did I do?
Give me my stick back. Give me my stick back. There you go.
Open the door. He's breaking the window. Open the door. He's going to break your window. Do you want a broken window?
Open the door. Open the door.
Do you want a broken window? So open the door.
Watch out. She's in gear.
What are you doing?
Open the
Open the door.
Ram in the car. She's running.
The officer prepares to escalate force if necessary. A window brake kit is deployed. The situation is seconds away from breaking wide open. And then it happens. Before officers can fully control the stop, the vehicle suddenly moves. The Subaru drives off. The pursuit begins. Radio traffic fills the air as units coordinate. Speeds increase. The suspect vehicle flees through Norwich roads, triggering a multi-unit response.
Northbound, they gapped their tire.
Brand new cruiser. Roger. She'll have a rear right deflated. Roger. Can you north on 97?
It's like prior to 19.
Roger. See you on 395. 97. Correct. 712.
She's off 19.
Alright, she's getting off 19.
Roger. Getting off 19.
Taking a left northbound.
Take 310s ahead of me. Troop, we're northbound, about 75.
Approaching Kendall.
Roger. On Kendall Road. Roger, on Kendall.
And she's giving it up. 100 yards in.
Roger, she's stopping.
Is that her?
It's not it.
That's not it.
Nah, 455. You got the wrong one. Jesus Christ. Alright, who had last direction of travel? This isn't the one. Jesus Christ.
We're looking for a woman who took off on us. In case if you see anybody running through, just call 911.
Lease owner. Lease. I heard lease.
Oh, you're the lease owner.
Lease owner, yeah.
How much does it cost for the pump?
Average $5,000 to $6,000, definitely.
But
yeah.
up to 10, you think?
Yeah, up to 10. Just
Up to 10. Okay.
Unconfirmed to which direction?
Yeah, I saw a car take a left at 97 and some person on the highway pointed.
I'm just going to PC north on 169 at normal driving. We're taking a call from Kendall Road about a male that took off on foot.
Pretend there's only a female in the car.
Roger. Well, Kendall Road Extension and Shrenod Road. 455, copy.
I knew she turned down on that road, bro. I knew she turned on that road, bro.
Nah, there's something here. Kendall Extension.
Come up here.
Troop, there's a 10 with that vehicle, unattended. Imagine that's the female who's booking it through the neighborhood.
A possible foot pursuit begins. Officers shift immediately from vehicle chase to ground search. K-9 units are requested. The suspect is believed to have fled into a residential and wooded area nearby. Residents are warned to stay inside as officers sweep the area.
This thing, yeah. They're actually, hang on, I got it. They're going to have a dog, so.
Oh. The resident said she ran behind 3 Strand Road.
How you doing? Do you guys happen to see the girl run? So would she run through here?
Yep, she came right behind the street.
Yep.
Up here, straight back there. There's a lot of fallen trees and woods and a fence back there. I don't think she could have cut through that way.
Oh, just keep everyone in the house because they're going to run the dog. Thank you.
Hey, you're gonna get bit! Show me your hands, you're gonna get bit! Show me your hands, you're gonna get bit! Show me your hands, he's gonna bite you! Crawl towards me now, he's gonna bite you! Come here! Go that way towards that trooper! You move, he's gonna bite you!
Don't do anything stupid, you understand me?
Boy, got it!
Don't keep telling me your hands!
Boy, if you run, you're gonna get bit!
Not to run.
If you run, you're gonna get bit!
Not to run.
Get on there, get on your knees! Get on your knees right now! On your face! On your face! On your face!
Bring it down. Don't go down.
Just say nothing today.
Hey, she was smoking something when she threw that car.
Do you have any narcotics on you, man?
No, I took them all.
You used them all or you took them all?
I took them all.
What's wrong with you, huh?
Let's go. He stepped on my
Anything stupid. I
He
don't
stepped
care.
on my pants. They're
Don't
flying
care.
off.
Did he bite her? No.
She was smoking a crack pipe or something. She threw it up there in that back left corner.
No one's stepping on your pants.
You stepped on my pants. They're falling off. Why are you hurting me like that?
Get the f*** off.
Are you joking right
I'm
now?
dead serious.
What does he think she threw? I took all of the drugs. You should bring me to the hospital.
Nope.
Okay, I'm done.
You're going back to the truth. Nobody gets.
Wow, okay. Is your camera on?
Yep, it's on.
And they see you hurting me
It was on
like
when you
this?
ran my car, too.
Okay, you're hurting me. I
don't
can't
care.
walk when one's pulling this way and one's pulling that way.
Go this way. Second car.
Oh, God! Are you serious right now?
Lean up against the car.
You just threw me against the car. Is that a joke?
Don't move from the car.
I haven't. You just threw my face against it.
Have a seat.
I'm trying. I can't like that.
Lean back.
Is he the one driving me?
Yep, I am. Unfortunately.
I don't feel safe with him.
I was literally just coming down to check this area again. I was tossing every garbage can I found along the road.
So happens when you ram cars and you take off. Thank you for getting my car dirty and.
You just threw my face against the car. Are you kidding me? You're gonna lose your job. You slammed my face against the car. How many bags did you swallow? Over 100. I told you I need to go to the hospital, and he said he didn't give a f. Cool. And then slammed my face against the car. Okay. She's gonna have to go.
Yeah. I thought, yeah, bring her back out.
Bring her out. I'll search her.
Yeah, I thought Trish did a little pat down, but yeah.
He threw me against the car and he's tossing me around.
It's gonna keep
Do you have
happening.
anything on you that's going to stick me in
I
your
don't have
head?
anything on me at all.
Did you swallow that? You got to bring you to the hospital? Yes?
That's what I told him,
Do you know
yeah.
how many?
A lot.
We have an ambulance coming here, right?
See?
I was trying to help him. I was trying to hurt him.
What's that?
I said I was trying to help him. Sorry. You were looking at me crazy.
It's just for me. When you're putting her in there, you seatbelt, forearm, just like you were taught, right? Against her chest, holding her back, and get that seat all the way up front. If she would have wiggled out, her feet are free. So just redo it. So we'll see. Yeah. So there you go. Adjust the seat.
Could you call my dad and tell him like my car and
We'll get that sorted out in a few. So listen, you get something like that, you won't leave your hanging out like that. They'll spit on it. First and foremost, you're gonna have to get checked out. I can't believe. What are you thinking? Swallowing all that? I know, but just take the hit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you took all that.
man, like, I thought this was like, I didn't think this was even real. The cops, when they pinned me in like that, I didn't think this.
You're gonna get the help that you need, okay?
Can I please have a female cop, not this guy?
Don't give them any issues, please.
I'm not giving them any issues. It's you that is hurting a female.
Not always the best call.
From other cops. Got him. Little syndrome. But this guy acting like he's a big tough guy.
He's not. He's doing his job. All right.
Your brother Dylan.
Fix my hair, I'm not doing anything.
How many times do you think you swallowed? A lot of bags?
Oh, yeah.
She ingested 15 bags of fentanyl.
Ooh, how much fentanyl was in each baggie? A gram or? Oh boy.
Once detained, officers notice something immediately concerning. Her condition suggests possible drug ingestion. The focus shifts from pursuit to medical emergency. She is evaluated on scene and later transported for further treatment. During processing, officers begin uncovering more details.
I need you to wake up. Hey, I gotta process you. Why don't you just read this? You can read, right? Understand? How old are you?
33.
Yeah, I mean, this is gonna be a pain in the butt, but we gotta get it done. So we're gonna do your right arm first. This is gonna be right thumb. This is a disaster, dude. Let's just put this flat. Come on. Ball your fist and go like this. It's not pretty easy. I mean, it's like, go like this. Can you do that?
Do you see how you have my arm trained?
I'm just trying to do this, and it's coming out like
He want you here any longer than I need you here?
Trust me, I don't want to be here any longer than I need to be. Alright, can you move your feet over that way so we got more space over here?
I have wires in my hand, that's why it doesn't bend correctly.
Nice. What are they from?
Hand surgery.
What happened?
Doesn't really matter, you really want to do small talk?
I just don't really believe you, that's fine.
I'm saying you're hurting me because you're cranking it. I'm saying it doesn't bend that way.
You're not really helping me here. So, do you mind leaning forward so I can do your print? I don't know what's so difficult.
Of course you don't. You want to move closer to me? There you go, buddy. Use your little brain. There you go, buddy.
Can't lean forward?
Considering my feet are right here, unlike you, I don't suck like that.
That's not what I heard.
Oh, yeah, is
I heard
it?
some crazy shit about you.
Oh, I bet you did. That's a good one.
Alright.
Oh, what a man you are. I love hurting a little female. Good thing you're on camera smashing my head against a cop car.
Alright. I'm just gonna let those, what's that, man?
Yeah, man.
No, I didn't. I was asking.
I'm working at Costco the rest of your life.
I can't understand you because you only got 3 teeth. So we're going to cuff you back to the bed, and then we're going to go from there. Fair enough?
Please don't touch me, sir. Please don't touch me. I'm not resisting.
I swear.
Please don't touch me. You like squeezing me?
Nope, I just don't want you to go anywhere. You already took off on us twice. She's not obviously not posting her bond, so.
Yes, I am.
Oh, you're going to post, you're going to come up with $500K? Okay.
Yeah, I've already,
You can do it at court tomorrow.
What started as a traffic violation has now expanded into multiple serious charges, including pursuit, reckless driving, resisting arrest, and drug-related offenses. But the most alarming detail comes later during the investigation. Authorities believe she may have ingested a large quantity of narcotics before or during the stop. That discovery changes the urgency of the entire case. Medical teams are now working not only with injuries from the arrest, but potential overdose risk as well. Meanwhile, officers review bodycam footage, radio traffic, and witness reports to reconstruct the timeline. Every second of the encounter is analyzed, from the initial stop, to the refusal to exit, to the sudden escape, and finally the foot pursuit that ended deep in the search area. What becomes clear is that this was never going to be a routine traffic stop. It escalated from a simple plate violation into a full multi-unit pursuit involving multiple agencies and emergency protocols. And it all started with a single traffic observation, a missing plate, a lane violation, and a vehicle that should not have gone unnoticed. As the investigation concludes, officials confirm multiple charges tied to the pursuit and arrest, along with a substantial bond due to the severity of the offenses and prior history of evasion. But the final message from this case is simple. Even the smallest traffic violation can escalate into a major law enforcement incident when prior history and split-second decisions collide. And in this case, it all unfolded in a matter of minutes. Before you go, if you enjoy real police cases like this, subscribe now. We upload new investigations regularly, breaking down exactly what happened, why it happened, and how it ended. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on this pursuit and whether you think it could have ended differently. And with that, we'll see you in the next case.